going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a catch and cook in Barbados, and we're going to be trying to catch some little Trevally. They only get up to about 18 to 24 inches, but they're really good eating, and they taste a little bit like Spanish mackerel, I've heard. But I'm going to go try to catch one, and see you guys in a sec.
Bring it home, buddy. Bring it home. Bring it home. Bring it home. No, man, that'll put him fish.
Don't be. Come on.
Yeah, bring it.
Flounder.
Bring it. Put it over the boat. 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 Quick. Right. Drop it over.
Yeah. Alright, this is today's catch. 2 fresh Trevally straight from the sea. And I am going to be showing you guys how to clean them and cook them. So first what you want to do is you want to scale them, which you try to feel which way the scales go, and you try to push against them so you don't have scales in your fillets. Alright, so then we're going to pull his fin back and slice right down as far as we can until we get to the ribs and the backbone. And then we're going to turn our knife over so we can cut all the way down. Alright. And then we're going to cut all the way back to the tail until we can't go any farther. Alright. That is our first fillet. Pretty good size. It'll feed a person. And then we're just going to do the rest, and we're going to cook them up. Here's our second fillet. Here's the third fillet. And then here's the fourth fillet. Now I'm going to go upstairs and cook these up for you guys. Guys, we're back. I just doused the pan in a little sunflower oil, and we have it on medium heat. And we are about to put our fillets in once the oil starts to heat up a little bit. Our fillets have been sitting in the fridge for about probably an hour now, and we're going to put them in. Alright. Start to put the fillets in. Alright, got all the fillets in. So it only takes about 3 to 5 minutes because these fillets are cut in half and the fish is not very big to begin with. Put some salt and pepper on. Not too much, just 1 or 2 pinches. Alright, forget our plate. And we're done. Very simple and easy, yet very delicious. That's 2 fish worth right there. It's probably about an appetizer for a meal. Alright guys, now for the taste test. Let's get one of these little pieces. Alright. It is very much like a Spanish mackerel. It's kind of like a really good sardine or something like that. This is 2 fish worth of meat right here. Just using a little plastic trolling lure on the back of a boat. Weren't very hard to catch, but tastes really good and easy to make. See you guys in the next one.